Alright, hello, welcome. Well, as I said in the early video, I was thinking about to skip this, how I do it, but I decided to do it because, once I said this click just does not have any functions, as I said earlier, but they actually just tell you, instead of on pressed, you have the button press print in the console. Now they have given it a function, app state get next. Now we don't know what this do, but this is something on pressed, it will do something. So I'm gonna save it. Wait, let's click this. It showed this error because I closed the browser. Also, it seems certain. Wait, I'm pretty sure I mentioned to get. Wait, let's wait for it to debug. Okay, now it's done. Next, make the app prettier, which is, we just have this. Now we have to give it something. Remember, we're adding this just to make it look. Add this. Wait, it's still doing this. Okay, let me get this text down as lowercase. You see this, a random awesome idea. If you put this, it will all be in lowercase. Where variable pair app state current. I'm not sure what this does, but it does. Now they're telling us to add one more here, which all right. Now let's take a look at everything before we just go things one by one. Oh, here they showed you extract method, extract widget. Okay, new widget, big card. Okay, you just input a widget. That's a widget. It's like, how can I say this? Button. It's a button widget. Next, it's also a button widget, but they're putting some different type of widget, because in the web app all you have is like, this is a scroll down widget. If you click, you will see multiple languages. This is a scroll down widget. So they're putting a big card as a widget. That's a widget that you just added. As you see, elevated button, that's a widget. Extract widget. Okay. Add a chord. Wrap with padding. Oh, that is so useful. You really don't have to like do like CSS coding, like type slash padding or something. It just gives you everything. Return padding. It just did it. See, padding constant depths, edge insets. It instantly this widget text instantly gets padded. Pair is a lowercase. This is a text. You literally modify the text. Okay, never mind. Padding. You see that? It just got a big box and it got padded into the middle. That is so neat. It all comes within the Visual Studio Code, which is way more awesome. You don't really have to like type padding space and say how many inches or something. You don't really have to do anything. I'm pretty sure. Oh, wait. There is this. You see this 20? That's the padding number. It automatically gives. If you increase or decrease the number, this will change. If you're a web designer, you will understand this very faster. I'm not a web designer myself. I simply just did it. I never did anything. But you got some designs. You got some styles, themes, widgets, color scheme. Okay, now they're telling us to add a theme. Okay. Listen, I'm not coding it, but I can tell what's going to happen just from the code itself, because the coding, the syntax is actually beginning to make sense for me. If it doesn't, you simply just copy paste it and see it yourself. Now they added where theme of context. Now where is this context is, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be here somewhere. Return color theme color scheme primary. So they are telling us to add this in the padding. This is the padding constant edge install. This is the padding method. I believe this is a text method. Child is lowercase. Wait, this is still in the higher. That's not in the lowercase. So what is in the lowercase? Child text. How did this color came here? The first code request out with the current theme. Did we mention any theme earlier in the code? Is there a theme mentioned? I'm not sure where it's mentioned, but it seems the theme color is already mentioned somewhere. Is it in the big card? Or is it because of this edge install? All is the color scheme? I'm not sure. Because here it's not brown, here it's the normal color as the text. But here the colors are changed because of variable theme of context. This context, we don't know where it is, but it's somehow changing the colors. Maybe if I actually wrote the code, I may be able to find out, but I didn't write the code, so I don't know. Okay, there's one tip. Flutter colors class gives you convenient access to a palette of handpicked colors, such as colors deep orange, colors red, but you can of course choose any color to define pure green with full opacity color from RGB. If you're a fan hexagonal number, there's always color. Oh, there we go. There's this color scheme. Where is this color scheme? It's in the code, but I don't know where it is because I didn't write the code. So please make sure to write the code and see the color scheme yourself. Wait, they're changing some like color scheme. Where's the color scheme? On primary. Where's the on primary? On color scheme, they're literally changing from seed to seed color, but here it's just primary. That means whatever the primary theme is. Oh, okay, now I understand. Whatever the theme color is, that's the primary color. Because you see the next text and this are kind of same, and the moment they change the primary color to whatever this color, it changes. It changes to blue. It changes, the next also changes. The literally primary colors gets changed. You're not changing every widget, you're literally changing the primary color scheme. This is bad. Change this line. Okay. Wait, what changed here? Child at power as lower scale style is equal to style. They mention style is a style, so the style is not mentioned, but it's a style. It's all right. Okay, remember, these are all made changes that are made in there. Make the following change. What are we changing? We're changing this. Semantics label per Pascal. Now, screen reads correct pronunciations on each word. You will try this using on your screen reader. Screen reader. Maybe it's a mobile app function. We don't need it on PC, but it's still a good thing because certain people can't see the screen clearly. They use the screen reader. Okay, Flutter has variety of tools, accessibility, including automated tests and the semantics widgets. Learn more on function accessibility page. That's it. That's the accessibility. If you touch something, it will read loud. It's for people who can't see clearly. For example, they want to call someone, they click a name, and it will read out loud. It's a feature. Windows also have that feature. If you go to accessibility, there's also a speech thing. If you click something, it will just literally read it loud. It's accessibility. You can check it on the PC as well. It's not exclusive to mobile only. Okay, now what we are adding is main axis alignment. What are we doing? Main axis alignment to center. Instead of being on top, it literally came to down. Oh wait, what is this? We can verify this by using the widget. Okay. Widget inspector. Click. Okay. Okay, now this is something I have to copy it and see. Now let me copy the code. Instead of going through one by one, I'm literally gonna copy everything from top to bottom with the class at my page. I'm literally gonna copy everything because they literally did want things one by one, but I'm not gonna do that. So because I totally understand how the codes work just by looking at the code. Now I control S. It's not getting saved. Okay, you know what? Run and debug. Widget inspector. There we go, widget inspector. This debug session is not ready yet or does not support DevTools. Okay, it's launching, so it's not showing. Okay, we go to widget, you can see what this widget means. This widget insert is beyond the scope of this column, but you can see the column highlighted. It doesn't take much. Okay, that's a good. Oh wow, that is so fucking good. When you type a widget, you right click it and you just see what they're doing. Wrap with center. It automatically puts a center widget there. That is so good. That is so helpful. Because this whole content, you see the body content, the column, you right click. Wait, what? How do they get that? Okay. How do you get that? You select it. Oh, how does that work? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Okay, that means they press something. Enter. Select. What is this button? What is this button? They press some buttons. You know what? I'm just gonna press enter here. They select and they press some button. What is that button? It's not a Windows key. How do they get that? Control plus? Command plus? Hold on a second. No. Control plus? Nothing's dropping. I press Control plus, it just zooms in. Oh, what is that button, man? Put your cursor on column. Call refactor menu with Control plus. Ah. Control plus. It doesn't. Wait, when did this change to column? Okay, it is column. What is a command plus? I don't understand these keys. Oh, you have to do it at the center. Wait, what? Oh, never mind, it's on the left side. Extract widget, is that what they did? There's this button, you can simply click it. You don't have to worry about anything. That was a stupid thing. Like wrap with center. Simply click it here, wrap with center. Done. Now your app is in the center. But it shows few errors, like 4 errors. I don't care about errors, just run the app. Let's not worry about it. It's launching. Now you get this in the middle and you get it so good. Make the app prettier, that's how it goes. Oh wait, they still add sized boxes. This is literally CSS, okay? This is what they're doing here is literally CSS. Big card, sized box, elevated button. But for some reason, the text is gone now. That text random is gone now. They removed it. I don't know why they did it, but it's okay. Now it's fucking prettier. Live stream next. Done. Okay, now I'm not gonna copy paste everything. I'm just simply gonna roll through it. All right, add functionality. This is what I was talking about. When you click next, something will happen, right? Instead of just going to the debug console. Now let's see what they did. Add these codes below. White toad's favorite remove. Favorites correct. Okay. Okay. Word pair. Favorites equal to word pair. And the word pair is random. The word pair is not, does not have any values. It's just random. Okay. Here, current equal to word pair. Favorites equal to word pair. You give a variable to current, and the current is word pair random. If you click next, this is what will happen. Notify listeners. That means it's just gonna go to the console, I guess. Add button. You literally put a row there. That is so cool, man. This coding is really fast. That's how you design it. That is so crazy though. How you put stuffs, how you move stuffs, like center, left, right, alignments. See that? Maxim's alignment is center. This is now is in center. But these are kind of crazy. How many closed brackets comes in? But it's alright. It's alright. Spoilers ahead. Okay. Wait, what they do here is they literally add elevated button, some toggle favorite. So if I click next, the button text will change. Wait, what? They put another icon, which is like. Oh, this is another one. This is another elevated button. Elevated button. It has icon unpressed. App state toggle favorite. Icon equal to icon. Label text is like. This is another elevated button that gets put here. But if you click, it's a toggle favorite. Okay, my code is not running because I get a feeling I did a lot of random things here. But it's alright, we'll simply replace everything with this. Plus my home page extends change notifier. Hey, that's a stateless widget. That means it's everything. Not just that. It starts from here. Yeah, I get a feeling I ruined the codes there. I'll look into it. Well, now this is the app. We just created a functionality called if you click like, it will get toggled. Yeah, that's the good answer. Toggled. This is that code icon. Favorite border. The favorite is this. You see that? The material icon named favorite. You once click this, it will happen. If you don't click, it will stay like this. So that's the function of that button. All right, we just added a simple like button functionality. I mean, if someone click like, you can put a count next to it, which will appear like YouTube likes, Facebook likes, something similar to that. Now, add navigation rail. Okay, let's just scroll down. Oh, that's a different one. Okay, now I see the reason why I messed up. Because I erased the main page itself. There's just simply the button feature that exists here. The main page is not here. Only the button specified codes are here. Anyway, we have a home page and a like page. Select all of my homepage, delete it, and replace it with following page. Class my homepage is a one page, and class generator page, that's a second page. This is a generator's page now? What? That doesn't make sense because you just simply have two pages now. And they're all in the same page. That is weird. Okay, for some reason, this big card is not detected. The method big card isn't defined as a generator. Certain widgets are not loaded. My guess is there's a problem with the extension dart. It's installed. Weird. Okay, never mind. Now let's look at this a bit more. We're literally adding a new page, and if you click the new page, code will go to, because now we have added a generated page extents. This is page 1 and this is all the page 1 contents. This is page 2 and this is all the page 2 contents. Now this is like taking the place itself. The new homepage contains a row with 2 children. The first widget is safe area and the second one is expanding widget. The safe area ensures that child is not obstructed by a hardware notch or a status bar. In this app, widget wraps navigation rail. You know what? Let's end this. This is another 30 minutes. We're simply just gonna scroll down because this is a second page. Add this property. Select index. Okay, you know what? There's 2 more steps, and let's look at the 2 more steps in the next video. Add navigational rail. We will start with the add navigational rail in the next video.